Hey, I have the USB Portal quality charger for mobile devices. It's about 3 inches long. It has 3 USB ports. Right here is an indicator light that lets you know when it is charging. It goes into your cigarette lighter in your car, or, well, what used to be cigarette lighters that are now built strictly for charging. It comes in this cool little box. It is made of plastic. It has a metal tip. It works really good. I got this on Amazon in exchange for this review during a promotion. Check it out on Amazon. It's USB Portal. Let's see if I can get close enough for it. There you go. USB Portal. Quality charging for mobile devices. It is, by the way, a DC input of 12 to 24 volts and an output of 5 volts. It's actually a really good one. It does charge quickly.